So first of all, very good morning to everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Let's just quickly have a look into FII and DII data. Right. So as of now, when I look into FII and DII data, from past 2 days in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, not just in Nifty, Bank Nifty, overall in the market, what FII and DIIs are doing. FIIs are pulling out money and DIIs, they are basically buying as much as possible. In the last trading session, when Bank Nifty, when Bank Nifty kept on running sideways in that session, what FII DII data says that FIIs has pumped in only 116 crore and they have in equity market, and in debt market they have already withdrawn 41 crore. That is very less amount, and whereas in case of DIIs, they were also again the net buyers in the last trading session. So which means that when the prices are moving up, it is not from past couple of days, it is not getting supported by foreign institutional investors, whereas this all of this getting supported by foreign institutional investors, whereas this all of this upper stoppages in the prices that are taking place, they are all taking place because of DIIs, right? So market Nifty 50, it is again looking like opening gap up, and I will give you update on this part also, but let's have a look into what has happened in Bank Nifty one day before. All right, so on the daily chart, first thing that I'll tell you that when prices they were moving up in this area, this was the day wherein prices have broken this crucial 35,000 zone with volume, right? This area got broken with volume by Bank Nifty in the last trading session when prices moved up, and they also gave a closing above this. In the next day, when Bank Nifty opened, there was no this kind of opening that took place wherein on this upper part of area there was nothing big trading that took place. And good morning Amrit, good morning everyone. So there was nothing big trading that took place here on the top, and overall all the trading that took place was around 35,700 area, and after that prices kept on running sideways and kept on staying sideways for the whole day. Next day, that is in the last trading session, prices they opened gap down, straight away selling absorption, and then kept on running within the body of it for the whole day. But in the last minute, this area of support, the first area of support, as I have already posted in my blog, that this is first support area for Bank Nifty, and this area got broken in the last trading session, and that too it has got broken with volume. There was also very little continuation on the downside in the spot prices. I think there was no continuation on the downside, but yes, in this chart, in futures, yes, there was very minute continuation on the downside. So which gives us now a crystal clear, now we are completely deadlocked in Bank Nifty within two demand zones and two supply zones. On the lower end, we have got another demand zone available around the lower end, that is roughly 35,000 area to 35,100. This is the area which requires to get broken with volume if at all we want to expect a big bearish move out of Bank Nifty. Otherwise, on the upper end, we need to see Bank Nifty to break this upper area. At max, you can keep this area also added in your watch. So that is the maximum upper limit that we can look forward for. So as of now, market is opening, Bank Nifty is opening at 35,000 level exactly. Nifty is opening gap up 0.18% gap up. Nifty Next 50 is opening 0.21% gap up. Nifty IT is opening 0.24% gap up. Bank Nifty completely flat opening and opening in a red zone, minus 8.4 gap down opening that it is showing us. That is, I'll say, completely flat opening that Bank Nifty is giving us. Nifty 100 is opening 0.18% gap up. Nifty mid cap 100 is opening 0.34% gap up, and mid cap 50 0.47% gap up, and Nifty infra is opening 0.3% gap up, and media sector is opening, that is Nifty media, it is opening 0.61% gap up. So that's basically overall the performance of indices during pre-market that is taking place. Let us also have a look into what are the topmost gainers sectors right now. So there is in terms of losers, there is only one sector, or in fact I'll say two sectors, which are opening completely flat and in a red zone, that is Nifty Bank and Nifty Private Bank. Whereas when we talk about topmost gainer for today in terms of sectors, sectoral movement, that is Nifty Media, it is opening 0.61% gap up opening. Nifty Metal is opening 0.59% gap up. Nifty Small Cap is opening 0.58% opening, and Nifty CPSE. So basically CPSE, Small Cap, Metal and Media, all these are opening with topmost gain in terms of gap up opening, right? So, and when we look into the chart of Nifty Media 1822, that's where it is opening, that is opening within the body of previous day. Nifty Metal, it is also opening within the body of previous day, and Nifty Small Cap, it looks like 8446. So that is the roughly opening almost. So I think Small Cap 250 can be looked into. Small Cap 250 might have some potential to give some bullish movement. When we have a look into market profile chart of Bank Nifty, let's also have a look into that as well. till then, I'm glad to see that all of you are, here. And thank you for showing your trust in me. Thank you for showing your participation here. So as per market profile chart of Bank Nifty, in the last trading session, this B profile that, which is forming in Bank Nifty, this is exactly, I'll not say a B profile, this is kind of a D profile only, because, on the upper end, there is no trading that has taken place in the prices. This is like very much kind of a balanced movement that has taken place, right? And in the last trading session, the prices have made a normal day with variation. So, this area will definitely be going to be, one area wherein you can expect, prices to give a upward movement if at all there is a volume push that takes place. Now, so as per market profile chart of Bank Nifty, in the last trading session, this B profile that, which is forming in Bank Nifty, this is exactly, I'll not say a B profile, this is kind of a D profile only, because, on the upper end, there is no trading that has taken place in the prices. This is like very much kind of a balanced movement that has taken place, right? And in the last trading session, the prices have made a normal day with variation. So, this area will definitely be going to be, one area wherein you can expect, prices to give a upward movement if at all there is a volume push that takes place. Now, market is about to start, just 3 minutes to go. Let me just do one thing. Let me also, log in into the website www.elixirlearnings.com and let me log in into my account. So there is one person today who has Akshay. Is Akshay here? So there is one person today who has Akshay. Is Akshay here? Are you here, Akshay? I think he is not here. So anyways, he enrolled for advanced option trading course just now in the morning itself I saw. So anyways, so these are the 4 tools, guys. We have created a new trader discussion forum, and in order to be part of new trader discussion forum, we have already sent everything, all the details related to what are the services that you will be getting. The first service, part of that service to be part of, new trader discussion forum, we are giving you complimentary. Along with that, we are giving you 3-month subscription to these tools, right? So if I launch first of all FNO dashboard, market is about to start, so I will be launching this first tool, that is FNO dashboard. Right at the opening bell, it will start showing you where the topmost, it is kind of right now showing us loading, but yeah, that is part of part and parcel of the server is waiting for data to start coming. Once the data starts coming, then it will start showing you all the results, right? So all the results, that where the top bull activity is, where the deltas are very high, where the deltas are very low, it is showing you all the cumulative deltas, top long, top short positions which are forming in market, and along with that, price and open interest relationship, relationship based upon that, all right, market has started opening, data has started coming. Just give us few seconds and all the data will get loaded. Wherever trading will start happening, data will start coming for that. You can see now. And now in order to segregate this one, if I click on top short positions right now, which are forming long positions right now, they are forming in Bank Nifty. Okay, short positions are there in Bank Nifty. And when we talk about long positions, there are very less short positions right now. I think Bank Nifty is 35, 172, 173, that's where it is currently trading at, and it is gaining minus 470 lots on the short side right now, right? So, and when we talk about the long positions, they are currently 100 lots are already traded right at the first minute itself, and it is there in Infi. Let's have a look into straight away Infi, what's happening in Infi, and you can have a look into, if you watch this tool, closely, you will be able to, gauge right at the opening bell that which stock will be good for you to create your position in the morning itself. Just a minute, where is, yeah, so there you go. Infi is 1% up, and it is up on the daily chart. If we look into Infi, it is about to give a breakout, right? It is about to give a breakout. The first 5 minutes itself, there are long positions which are forming in Infi. You have got your stock available for you, right? So what you can do, you either wait for continuation or wait for first 5 minutes to give you, a crystal clear, conviction that Infi is going to go. Yeah, so there you go. Infi is 1% up, and it is up on the daily chart. If we look into Infi, it is about to give a breakout, right? It is about to give a breakout. The first 5 minutes itself, there are long positions which are forming in Infi. You have got your stock available for you, right? So what you can do, you either wait for continuation or wait for first 5 minutes to give you a crystal clear conviction that Infi is going to go up, and after that you are good to start taking your position. Right now bull positions are forming in Infi. So yes, it looks good. First 5 minutes it is also able to give a breakout on daily chart. Let the prices get settled in first 5 minutes, and there should not be retracement on the downside. Then by keeping a stop loss below 1576, we are good to create a buy position above 1586, right? It is hardly 10 rupee of stop loss that we can think about. And next part is, you can also have a look into its order flow charts also, side by side. You can also have a look into its order flow chart. So if I go ahead and straight away open Infi 5 minute order flow chart. So this order flow, and if I open its 5 minute, 5 paisa, 50 paisa, I'll make it 10 paisa. And yeah, okay, so once the order flow chart is open, I can see there are some sort of imbalances that are opening on the that are already available on the bottom side of Infi. And actually in Infi there is absorption is also happening at the top, but it looks like it is natural from Infi's part. Here on the volume panel you can see here some sort of selling is also happening here on the top. Some sort of selling is also happening here on this level, but overall delta is still positive in it. Top long positions are also there. So if these are the big sellers, then they would like to keep the prices on the downside. But once they will start closing their position, then there will be a very high potential for Infi to keep on moving further up and up, right? So Infi, apart from Infi, there is Godrej Consumer Products, Cipla, Kotak Bank. They are the ones which are gaining top long positions right now. Okay, so Nifty and Bank Nifty, both of them are running in long positions. Infi, keep it in your watch. I'm keeping this area 1586, breakout above that area can be definitely looked into for scalping with a stop loss at 1576 or something. This is something that we can have a look into. But right now absorption is really big that is happening in it. Absorption बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है top पर. I think avoidance भी कर सकते हैं. There is a lot of absorption that is happening within this first 5 minutes itself. People are exiting out of it. So let's have a look into some other stocks wherein there will be very, very high potential. Let me show you here. In terms of stock selection, when we look into top long position, Nifty, Bank Nifty, they are running in gainer side. Godrej Consumer Product is gaining right now in terms of long position, and Kotak Bank is also the one which is gaining long position. Short position mein, there is not even a single stock which has gained more than 200 lots right now. So it looks like Godrej Consumer Product is also what we can have a look into. So I will be adding Godrej Consumer Product. I'll just keep it aside and have a look into. Yesterday, I think there was a good movement that took place in Godrej Consumer Product. There was one, okay. So it is trading within the body of previous day, but yes, bull positions are there definitely in it. I think we can expect Godrej Consumer to give us some good movement. Let me have a look into its order flow chart also. So first 5 minutes is showing us, yes, there are bull positions that are good that are happening in it. Maybe it was just to give us stop out of as many people as possible. Yesterday, I think there was a good movement that took place in Godrej Consumer Product. There was one, okay. So it is trading within the body of previous day, but yes, bull positions are there definitely in it. I think we can expect Godrej Consumer to give us some good movement. Let me have a look into its order flow chart also. So first 5 minutes is showing us, yes, there are bull positions that are good that are happening in it. Maybe it was just to give us stop out of as many people as possible. First 30 minutes only gave a move on yesterday. Actually, I would avoid this type of scenario when prices are trading within the body of previous day. But since it is having a very good long position, we can still keep this upper price area breakout in the watch in Godrej Consumer Product, and then we can let's have a look into another stock, that is Maruti, which is also gaining right now. Okay, on the daily chart, Maruti is the one which looks like having a very good delta formation that is taking place. 18,000 quantities already traded in first 5 minutes, and then in next 5 minute prices are giving a good movement further on upside. I think this Maruti can be definitely looked into for creation of buy position, that is for sure. And if 7700 area gets broken in Maruti, then there will be high potential for Maruti to give further big movement on upside. First 30 minute has already given a breakout on of previous day. First 30 minute has already broken previous day's highest price. So it is not that we are not in a hurry that we will be creating right in the first 5 minute itself. What we can do, we have to keep this stock Maruti in our watch, and you can look for this stock for initial balance breakout, right? Initial balance open test drive ke liye definitely you can keep it in your watch, right? Once that open test drive is done, it will be further, or maybe for 15-minute ORB also you can keep, right? Because the prices are going right now imbalance and there are long positions that are happening. Another stock which is right now gaining in terms of long position, it is Cummins India. Cummins India is about to give a breakout on previous day's highest price, and long positions are gaining. Looks like it can give a potential. I think before Cummins India is something which is definitely gaining. Yesterday there was okay, so this upper price area 885 breakout above this area with volume is something which we are looking for. And yeah, so this candle is the crucial one. It is not that any other candle, this candle is the crucial one for us to have a look into. And if I show you the order flow chart of it, first 5 minute, I think with a stop loss below the low of this candle, Cummins India will be good for creation of buy position. Long positions are gaining, and above 886, I think it might be giving a good potential movement on the upside. But we have to wait for this second 5 minute to give a closure. Cummins India and Hindalco is also there, which is gaining right now long positions. Wait for few minutes, because imbalances are also there in this candle. Wait for some more time, and above the high of this candle, we can think about buying it, and stop loss we have to keep then 877 and below, right? So इतने का तो आपका stop loss बनेगा. That means 9 to 8 rupees of stop loss आपका बनेगा इसमें. तो वो ध्यान में रखना जरूरी है. Before that, I will now have a look into some other, that is Maruti के बाद Hindalco. Some of the stocks, guys, I'm just giving you as many stocks as possible which you can keep it in your watch for the opening bell. Some of them right after touching Hindalco, let's just have a right after touching previous high, they are stopping. So we can wait for some time for them to start giving us some sort of good potential on upside. Okay, so yes, this Hindalco is trading within inside bar. I'll leave that. If it is trading inside bar, I'll leave that. And on daily charts, it is trading within the body of previous day. It is none of my concern as of now. Cummins India, I can definitely again go ahead and look into it. What's happening in it? 884.6. It is right now right there itself, and it has the potential, guys. It looks like it has the potential to give us a very good breakout trade. 8 to 9 rupee of stop loss, guys. I'm writing this down. Okay, so all right, so I'm giving 880 है ना by Cummins India above 883, that is morning high na, this candle's high only. Buy Cummins India above 883. Stop loss will be 872. And this Cummins India is, I'm recommending in equity. Right, so 883 minus 872, and first minimum target will be as per risk reward ratio, that is 11 points. Then you can keep 15 points, then you can keep 17 points, or maybe 11, 15, or maybe 20 points. That's how you can keep. Trail your stop loss, and I'll write it down by Cummins India live trade so 883 plus 11, that is 894 is your first minimum target in it, right? Let me also open investing.com. जब आपका 50% टारगेट मीट हो जाएगा, एनीवन हु हैज परचेज्ड इट इन इक्विटी, Cummins India, guys, anyone who has purchased in equity, Cummins India? Okay, good, great. So what you have to do, जब आपका 889 पर पहुंच जाए प्राइस, 889 पर जब आपका प्राइस पहुंच जाए, at that point of time you update stop loss on above cost, एंड जब आपका टारगेट, पहला टारगेट मीट हो जाए, दैट इज 883 प्लस 11, दैट इज 894, देन 894 पर आप अपना पार्शियल बुक कर सकते हैं या फिर कंप्लीट प्रॉफिट भी बुक कर सकते हैं, या फिर यू फर्दर कीप ऑन ट्रेलिंग ऑन द हायर लेवल, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम राइटिंग डाउन नाउ. Cummins India trading at 890. I hope you are getting some profit. It made a high of 889, पहुंच गया था. It has already reached 889. अब आपको अपना स्टॉप लॉस प्रॉफिट जोन में डाल देना है. That's all you have to do, right? 890 it is now trading at. So this is first morning drift trade, जहां पर आपको 883 was this one and stop loss was 894 was the target, and this will be 872. That is what, now we have. Okay, so जब इसका टारगेट मीट हो जाएगा, that is then your choice whether you want to keep on holding it or you want to keep on trailing it at further higher level. Completely fine, right? जितना रिस्क है उसके हिसाब से आप उतना रिवॉर्ड भी उसमें देखना चाहिए. 11 रुपए का अगर आप स्टॉप लॉस रखते हैं तो 11 रुपए का आपको टारगेट भी मिनिमम रखना जरूरी है. नहीं रखेंगे देन इट विल बी बैड. एंड वंस यू हैव मेट योर 50% ऑफ प्रॉफिट टारगेट, अगर आपने अपना जो प्रॉफिट टारगेट था उसका 50%, दैट मीन 6.889 पर जब प्राइस पहुंच गया, तब आप अपना स्टॉप लॉस कॉस्ट के ऊपर डाल दें, ताकि जो मर्जी हो जाए यू विल बी एंडिंग अप इनटू हैविंग प्रॉफिट ओनली, राइट? अगर आपको यहीं पर बुक करना है, रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो से पहले बुक करना है, I seriously will not be recommending that, but yeah, so if this is what you want, that can also be done. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically pretty much. So morning scalping trade, how do you find it? Morning scalping trades, will it be possible using quantifier or not? Using quantifier, will you be able to find out the stocks? Okay, Siddhartha Reddy has already made 4200 rupee profit in it. That's lovely. Akshay has made it, okay, booked profit at 890. Ravi Narayan has already booked profit at 890. That's nice. Good, good everyone. ऐसे ही प्रॉफिट कमाते जाइए, हमें मतलब कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Now right now Cummins in gaining 889.5 in futures it is trading. The prices that it show you here, they are futures prices, right? It is having 448 lots in net long position right now. Okay, so that is the thing. Then after that there is one more stock, metal sector. As we have said, metal sector is also right now on the gain side. So Tata Steel and SAIL, they metal sector has opened gap up today, and Tata Steel and SAIL, both of them, they are gaining right now in terms of long position. Let's have a look into them as well, right? So let's see there. Tata Steel, I think 1200 or something will be a crucial area for Tata Steel. Always do one thing, whenever you are using the tool, blindly do not take any entry. Have a look into its daily chart, have a look into its 30-minute chart, have a look into its 5-minute chart. Keep a complete overall perspective related to the prices. Here what do I see? I can see that 1200 is the area wherein prices have taken multi resistance, but it looks like above 1200 there might be a good potential movement in Tata Steel that can take place, right? Right now it is gaining 400, 500 lots. That's fine. But will it be further able to gain that position or not? No one can guarantee. So what we have to do on the safer side, we can wait for 1200 level to get broken with volume in Tata Steel, and then we can think about creation of our position in Tata Steel. But definitely, this can be kept under watch. Same thing is also applicable for sale or also or not. क्या ये सेम चीज सेल के लिए भी एप्लीकेबल है या नहीं है? Okay, so same cheese is also applicable for this one. Manappuram right now, yesterday Manappuram was not able to give a good movement. Manappuram is all of a sudden gaining momentum and it is also gaining lots of bull position right now. Let's have a look into, देखिए, I will have a look into rest of your stocks also. Right now the purpose is Manappuram. Wow, it has gained a very big position now. Already it is gaining bull positions. I think इस scenario के अंदर what can be done? We have to look into previous day high. We should wait for retracement maybe till this area now, right? Let the prices come down, let the prices take support, and when the prices come down, they should come down with low volume, and then the prices should be able to give a movement on bull side further. Okay, so that's what you have to do. That's all you have to do in this case. But right now Manappuram is gaining lots of long position since morning. In the first 5 minute, bull positions were not that big. In second 5 minute, prices were able to gain huge amount of bull positions in it, right? So that's all of that you can see right from this tool itself, that is FNO dashboard, right? Sir, VIX 12% up. If VIX is up by 12%, then expect some sort of good movement out of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. If not today, maybe tomorrow, right? But definitely we can expect. Let's have a look into indices. Indices देखने से पहले मैं आप लोगों के स्टॉक्स, ये यहाँ पर मॉर्निंग पहला ट्रेड आज की आपकी कमाई हो चुकी है. तो लेट्स डू वन थिंग, लेट्स हैव अ लुक इनटू योर स्टॉक्स. आप जो देखना चाहते हैं. ओके, सो बैंक निफ्टी राइट नाउ गेनिंग शॉर्ट पोजीशन, and on the upper area it is crystal clear prices are not able to break this high area. Looks like there might be possibility, guys, for another shift on the downside in Bank Nifty. I cannot guarantee the downshift, but since it is also a demand zone, it is also another demand zone that I told you. On upper area, it is crystal clear confirmed that yes, Bank Nifty is taking rejection. So if at all prices do retracement back till upper area, we can still think about taking a risk around this area. Upon reversal confirmation, we can do shorting one more time. But right now, prices are running sideways. Not a good idea for us to create a position in it. Now, when we have a look into Nifty, what's happening in Nifty? That's where long positions are there, but they are very low, less long positions are there. If VIX is up by such high, all right, 892. I think target is about to get met in Cummins India. Your target of 894 is about to get met in Cummins India. Just very much. अब आप मैक्सिमम आप ये कर सकते हैं, या तो अपना स्टॉप लॉस धीरे धीरे अब आप टारगेट की तरफ अपडेट करते जाएं, राइट? धीरे धीरे अब आप इसमें अपडेट करते जाएं एंड और इसको और ऊपर चलता जा रहा है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. We cannot, no one can guarantee how the prices will be moving up. So ultimately what we have to do, we have to keep on managing our positions, as and when the prices are moving in our favor. Once prices start moving opposite to our favorable condition, then okay, Anup has got trailing stop loss hit. Okay, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Anyone else who is still holding Cummins India? I think I'm not able to see the chat properly. Guys, okay, NMDC is going up. ये टारगेट हमारा पहला, it is I think I'll say from my end it is almost done. So I'll stop looking into now Cummins India. Hopefully it will touch our target of 894. but just keep on updating your stop loss in it. Vijay ji again entered and made 1000 plus. That's नहीं, बार बार एंट्री मत लिया कीजिए विजय जी, ऐसे नहीं होता है. एक एंट्री पॉइंट ले लिया तो उसको अगर आपने मैनेज करने की आर्ट अगर सीख ली ना, तो फिर आपको कोई रोक नहीं सकता अच्छे अच्छे प्रॉफिट बनाने से, राइट. सो ऑलवेज टेक एंट्री एट द राइट टाइम, डू नॉट टेक री एंट्री, अदरवाइज यू विल कीप ऑन एंडिंग अप इनटू हैविंग बिगर लॉसेस आल्सो, राइट. सो उस चीज को आप ध्यान रखिए. Now let's come back and NMDC morning gainer was there. NMDC okay, it is breaking. मैंने यहाँ पर एक्चुअली आपको NMDC में बताया था that ये ब्रेकआउट आपको पहले देखना पड़ेगा. You have to analyze whether prices are able to give a breakout above this area or not with volume. And yes, I think volumes are not that high in NMDC. Volumes are not that high when the prices were able to break that. Let's just analyze how buyers and sellers have interacted once the prices gave the breakout. Let's have a look into them. Interaction of buyers and sellers. Let me make it 5 paisa. Okay, all right. So NMDC, if you want to create a buy position, this breakout looks like that breakout has absorption level. Right, there is a breakout with imbalance that has taken place, but it has imbalances, it has absorption level also there. It also has got absorption of buyers. Not a conducive situation for you to look for creation of buy position as of now. This is what I believe. There is also a balance candle which has formed in it. I can avoid. Doesn't matter even if prices further keep on moving up and up, but I want to see Maruti on retest. Let's have a look into Maruti. Okay, long positions are reducing. Maruti is let me have a look into its order flow. It can be a potential candidate. Stop loss थोड़ा बड़ा बनता है सर इसमें. That is the only problem. I'll keep a price per row ticks of 100. Maybe. See, conviction of sellers should not be there at the top in Maruti. That's the only concern. Conviction of sellers looks like is there in this candle, right? Commitment is there, but this candle was not able to break the low of this candle. If this candle is able to break the low of this candle, that means prices might want to further retest the imbalances of morning. ये भी imbalances price शायद test करना चाहते हैं. तो what you can do, you can wait for prices to then further keep on retesting the lower price area, or you simply wait for prices to give a breakout above this candle, right? थोड़ा सा इस चीज का ध्यान रखेंगे. अभी ये जो 1 2 3 since 935 940 945 there is no big commitment of sellers that is there. So what we can do, we can wait for prices to give breakout on further upper area. That's I think the only condition that to me looks like that we can follow for buyers to again take re-entry, and then we should think about buying it. सर बैंक निफ्टी देखिए, मूवमेंट तो होने वाला है बैंक निफ्टी में, either on the bull side or on the bear side. That's what I believe. Movement might be happening in bank nifty. If not today, definitely then tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be having tomorrow we will be having private live trade live session that I will be conducting for all the people who are part of Elixir Traders Discussion Forum. Right, so be part of hurry up and become part of that trader discussion forum, and earn money from morning live sessions. And it is not a big amount. 12,000 is not a big amount, and I am giving a lot of services there in the new trader discussion forum, and I will be giving you training starting from today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow onwards I'll start giving training on how to effectively use Elixir quantifier, how to effectively use Elixir quantifier in terms of creation of long position, in terms of creation of short position. All of that I will be teaching you, during during market hours tomorrow. Okay, so that you can effectively use it for yourself. And those who will be joining this trader discussion forum, they will be made part of. They will be given 3 access to this Elixir quantifier, and 3 months access will be there. After that, whenever they want to recharge, whenever they want to go ahead for recharge of Elixir quantifier for next quarterly, half yearly or annual subscription, if they want to take, there will always be discount to those people who are part of Elixir trader discussion forum. There will always be discount because you are the one who are joining us, trusting us for the first time, and we will ensure that you get best of the best services as longer as possible. Okay. All right, so Nifty has long position, and what you are saying is Bank Nifty is having short position. Is it a good scenario for you to look for creation of position today in Nifty, Bank Nifty? I hope you are understanding why I'm not concerned about Nifty and Bank Nifty as of now. Getting it, Sanjeev? I hope my point, because there is a fight between both the indices, right? One indices is showing us long positions, second indices is showing us short positions, and both of them right now they are running in opposite direction with each other. Then it looks like that we have to wait for conviction to start coming. For a trending day, up yahan par just by looking at quantifier, you are able to gauge that whether today is a good day for you to create your position in Nifty and Bank Nifty or not, right? अगर मार्केट में कन्विक्शन होता, निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में आज कन्विक्शन होता, both of them would have shown you short positions at the same time. Both of them would have also shown you that institutional big activity right at the opening bell, but nothing is happening. It does not look conducive for us to create a position in it. Maybe tomorrow is expiry day, maybe tomorrow we can expect some sort of wild moves to be taking place in both the indices. There has been like couple of days since options writers are keeping Nifty and Bank Nifty under their control. There will be ऐसा नहीं है that writers can keep under control very highly controlled movement they can keep on doing in indices. There will be some time when definitely we can expect some sort of big movement out of indices. Yes, okay. नहीं, ये फुल स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है, आप इसको ये देखिए ना, यहाँ से फुल स्क्रीन कर लीजिए. अच्छा, यहाँ पर आप बोल रहे हैं बॉटम गैप, ये थोड़ा सा देखिए अभी नया नया डेवलप करा है, इसमें ये थोड़ा सा गैप आपको, ये जो इतना ब्लैंक स्पेस दिख रहा है, दिस वी हैव केप्ट फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स. ये जो नीचे आपको ब्लैंक स्पेस दिख रहा है, इसमें इन फ्यूचर देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स दैट विल बी कमिंग ऑन दिस ब्लैंक स्पेस, राइट? वो नेक्स्ट अपग्रेड्स होंगे जो इस FNO डैशबोर्ड में. यहां पर दोज अपग्रेड्स आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल राइट नाउ, बट यस, वो सारे अपग्रेड्स के यहां पर रिजल्ट्स आना शुरू हो जाएंगे आपके पास. ओके, सो ये डेलिबरेटली हमने यहां पर ऐसे रखा हुआ है. गेटिंग इट? हाँ, क्रोम ब्राउजर में भी इट इज टेकिंग 50, नहीं, डेलिबरेटली वी हैव केप्ट दैट मच ऑफ एरिया ना, मैं आपको बता तो रहा हूं. All right, so I think Bank Nifty has entered in a demand zone and there is no big supply on the sell side. It can again do rotation back to the upper level, but since there are short positions right now in it, it might not be a good idea. Sideways day, if that is happening, in that type of day, what you can do, if prices do retracement with low volume back to the higher level, then you can think for creation of short position on the top around the supply zone. Sir, I am beginner to this. Can I also join your Elixir trader discussion forum? देखिए, if you are a beginner and you have enrolled for any of our courses, then yes, you can become part of trader discussion forum. The main purpose of the forum is to help each other out, to help other people who are part of it. Vinay saying cannot hear me. Guys, let me know if my voice is clearly audible to everyone. Okay, Cummins India, let's have a look into that. All right, it has met our target. Just update it as well. It has made a high of 895. Lovely. So I'll do this thing, guys. Do not forget to target got hit. update. Just a minute, I'll just update it. Target got hit. Enjoy your profits. Holders can keep trailing this stock for further next targets. Let me know first of all, guys, how much profit have you made out of this stock today? Total. Ritesh, sir, hi. Did not have talk yesterday. Yes, Ritesh, we can talk today. Definitely. Why not? I'm just closing the session in few minutes. Guys, let me know. I want to know how much profit you were able to make out of this trade. Okay, Anu, you have made 300 rupees profit. That's fine. That's great. आपने बहुत कम क्वांटिटी ली थी. Okay. Ravi has made 5,000 rupee profit. That's lovely. Anyone else? Almost 1,400. Nice. Shubham, good, great. All right, lovely, 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 guys. Sanjeev ji, how much you were able to make? Jay has made 500 rupee. Okay. Joined but made 400 with 50 less quantity. Okay, that's fine. Okay, all right. Thank you, Vijay, for joining the Elixir Trading Trader Discussion Forum. I have received the payment just now. All right, great, great, great. Thank you for joining the session. And I will be adding you to, I'll tell my team to add you to Trader Discussion Forum just now. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for having trust in us, and thank you for joining Trader Discussion Forum. Guys, 12,000 is not a big amount. You can, okay, AK model 387 profit with 50 quantity. Sir, Bank Nifty read करने में लगा था, ले ही नहीं पाया. Okay, all right. कोई बात नहीं. देखिए, जिसने जितना profit बनाया, profit is profit. So, what you have to do is just keep on, maintaining your stop losses properly and manage your trades properly. I'm always here, and I'm not going anywhere, right? We have created a new new company, new discussion forum. Everything is new. There will be a lot of a lot of extra features that I will be giving you, a lot of extra services that I will be giving you, and that's all from my side for today, guys. And those who are joining, just remember one thing, guys. Those who are joining our trader discussion forum today, tomorrow onwards, I will start giving training on how to effectively use how to effectively use Elixir quantifier. Okay, so do join this session if possible by either today or by 12 o'clock tomorrow. If possible, join it as sooner as possible, so that you can join the first private training that I will be providing on how to effectively use dashboard. Let me show you the option chain also. Bank Nifty option chain, what it is telling us right now. So as per the option chain, right now 35,000 is becoming a crucial pivot point right now. On the upper end, 35,500 is having call writing increase. On the lower end, 34,500 put writing is not that big. That is unusual. So this is making 35,000 as the pivot point. 1 lakh lots are written on 35,000 put strike, and 1 lakh lots, 1,17,000 lots are written on call strike. Right, so which is making this one as a pivot point. A short position looks like price इसी के आसपास ही hover करने वाले हैं. That's what it looks like. क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी लॉन्ग और इतनी बड़ी शॉर्ट पोजीशन जो यहाँ पर बनी हुई है दोनों स्ट्राइक प्राइसेस पर, इन दैट सिनेरियो व्हाट यू कैन डू, जब इतना ज्यादा बड़ा पोजीशन बना होता है, देयर इज वन थिंग दैट यू कैन डू. आप ये समझिए, ये है मीन, और इससे प्राइसेस जितना ज्यादा डाइवर्ट करेगा उतना ही ये वापस से इसको अट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश करेगा. या फिर प्राइस जितना ज्यादा नीचे गिरेगा उतना ही इसको ऊपर अट्रैक्ट करना की कोशिश करेगा, एज लॉन्ग एज द OI ऑफ पुट स्ट्राइक एज वेल एज कॉल स्ट्राइक इज इंटैक्ट। इनका ओपन इंटरेस्ट ड्रास्टिकली अगर रिड्यूस नहीं हुआ है तो प्राइसेस विल टेंड टू डू the same scenario, that if they are going away from 35,000 strike price after 100 or maybe 200 points of upward movement, they will again slowly and gradually come back to the same 35,000. If they are going below 35,000, but 35,000 is a very crucial strike price now, it is a demand zone. Below that there might be a less possibility as of now, but below that if the prices are able to give a breakout, there might be these put writers who start unwinding them, right? Put writer might start unwinding them. There will be panic fall that can take place then, right? Rahul is asking, sir, what would be the timing for our Elixir quantifier tools training sessions? So I will be conducting tomorrow morning session like the way I have conducted today. I will be conducting morning 9 to 10. Same session I will be conducting tomorrow also. After 10 o'clock, maybe 11 to 12, I will be conducting private live session for, in order to tell you how to effectively use Elixir quantifier. So that presentation will be given tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay. All right, so just remember this pivot, guys, and keep a track on open interest of Bank Nifty. Let me also show you the third one, that is Nifty dashboard. If you have a look into Nifty dashboard, it will start showing you what are all the stocks which are topmost price gainers in Nifty 50. This is a dedicated dashboard for Nifty 50. It will start showing you what are the stocks which are topmost price gainers, top 10 price gainers, top 10 price losers, top 10 open interest gainers, open interest losers, the stocks within Nifty 50 which are right now active by value, and out of Nifty 50 what are all the stocks where opening price is the highest price and opening price is the lowest price. And here on the bottom panel you can see the list of all the stocks where there is topmost build-up that is taking place, that is short build-up, long build-up, percentage change, OI change, and open versus high and low. So this is basically the bottommost is basically segregated, showing you the topmost volume that is available. It is in Hindalco, after that IOC, after that ONGC, NTPC, SBI, and Tata Steel, right? So they are the ones where there is, these are the ones where topmost volume is there, and whether they have long build-up, short build-up, all of that it will start showing you. And last one is price versus open interest. Nifty, what happened in Nifty? Let's have a look into Nifty. Is it giving a movement on upside or is it giving a breakdown? हाँ, ये स्टॉप लॉस हिटर कैंडल है। नहीं, आज दिन नहीं है, मैं आपको पहले बता दिया है। जस्ट बाय हैविंग अ लुक इनटू द चार्ट्स, it was crystal clear to us that today is not a day for us to create a long position or short position in Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you have a look into FNO dashboard, topmost long position here, it is Nifty showing you topmost long position and Bank Nifty is still showing you short positions. सर इतना ज्यादा और शॉर्ट पोजीशंस इतनी ज्यादा भी नहीं है मार्केट में. ओके, सो देयर इज वन मोर स्टॉक व्हिच इज कमिंग इन द लिस्ट, द टॉप मोस्ट गेनर, इट इज ग्रेन्यूल्स. अभी हम बहुत देर से डिस्कशन कर रहे थे. इट इज ग्रेन्यूल्स व्हिच इज गेनिंग लॉट ऑफ top long position. Let's see when the long positions have got gained in granules. If we look into the chart, it is just gaining consistently, and this is the candle which is able to gain very high volume in last 5 minutes. So यहां पर गेन हुआ है वॉल्यूम. अब आप इसमें देख सकते हैं whether this was a breakout candle or any random candle. You can have a look into its just a minute order flow chart also. This is some sort of big trade that has started taking place in granules. ऐसा नॉन कन्विक्शनल मूवमेंट नहीं आना चाहिए जब इतना बड़ा, जनरली सी ये इतना बड़ा कैंडल यहाँ पर जो भी बना है, इतना बड़ा वॉल्यूम जो यहाँ पर आया है, इट हैज अ मीनिंग. ऐसा नहीं है कि मीनिंगलेस प्राइसेस विल बी मूविंग, राइट. सो सपोर्ट की अगर बात करें तो एज लॉन्ग एज द लो ऑफ दिस कैंडल इज इंटैक्ट, देयर माइट नॉट बी अ further downward movement. In fact, there might be further upward movement in granules that can take place, right? Whether that will happen or not, no one can guarantee, right? But let me see. In the morning also there was very big very good bull movement that took place, which got broken within third fifth minute, and then prices gradually kept on moving up. So abhi granules ke liye I think yahan par when the prices are coming down, there is gain, there is absorption of buying that is taking place. Strength of selling is happening right now. Strength of selling, absorption is happening. Granules might not be a good idea right now. See, when the prices start coming down, there should not be strength of selling that should be there in it. Okay. Nifty mein responsive seller, please check. Yeah, that can be that. Yes, definitely this you can call as a responsive seller. But see, again at the day end, what the question is whether Nifty is good for you to create a position right now. If yes, then take the position and keep a stop loss above it. Whether it is good or not, that is the important part. Okay. All right. So thank you guys for giving your time. Thank you for there are I was not expecting this many number of people to be joining today, and it gives a lot of happiness to me that lots of people have joined today and attended the session. Thank you for having your trust in us. So we will meet tomorrow again at the same time, and 9 a.m. and oh wow, Cummins India showing another push on the upside. What was the next target that was there in Cummins India? 15 points, that is 898. So it has made a high till now, till 896 or something. 898 is the next target. Let's see whether it will be able to reach there or not, right? So thank you for everything, guys. So I'm signing off from here today. If possible, join Trader Discussion Forum, Elixir Trader Discussion Forum as soon as possible. Tomorrow onwards, I'll be starting to give training on that part. That's all from my side. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Good day.